Okay, so this is figure 876. A few things here I thought I should point out on this. When you're looking at this, we haven't talked about this a lot in an isometric view. This is an isometric drawing. In an isometric view, the front view of the drawing is right here looking at this side of the drawing. So looking in from this edge would be the front view. So if you were standing over here at this position looking towards the object here. So with that being said, looking at this side of it, you would see a rectangular shape here. This flat side here of that angled piece would make a rectangular shape. Again, looking from this side, you would see a rectangular shape showing this cylinder from the side, and then you'd also see these two triangles showing this, again, looking from the front of the object. So over here, kind of the left side of this drawing is the front view of the object. So just kind of the controversy, or just the opposite of that, looking from this side, this would be the right side view. So right side view, we're 4 inches wide. Again, right side view is going to be very, very similar to the front view. The main difference is it's just 4 inches wide, and this was 3.5 inches wide. So again, you'd see this side of it, you'd see the rectangular shape here, another rectangle there. These two would look as triangles. The cylinder in the center would be a rectangle. You've got to think about your hidden lines then. These two holes would create hidden lines, and the counterbore here in the center of it would create a hidden line, or hidden lines going down the center. Remember how you did the counterbore the last time? That is going to be just the same on this drawing. But you're just transferring this drawing, the isometric, into a 3-view drawing. Obviously, my top view would be looking down straight from this top edge of it. Other things to notice on this drawing, do notice it does tell you right there, this one is not made out of wood. This one does tell us it is cast iron. So in the title block, you'll add that in as cast iron. And that really should be the information you need to know about this drawing to get this complete. Good luck on this. Again, making this as a 3-view drawing. Should fit in your title block. No problems. Good luck.